Hello and welcome. So now we are going to make another Tkinter application, so which is that Sensex Nifty live data viewer. So in this application, we would be getting a data live from the internet, and we would be putting the data into one list. So the Sensex and Nifty are the index of the Indian stock market. So let me just show you that application. So this is the UI of application. So here you would see that the last time Nifty and Sensex was updated at this time. So this application will keep on updating the data after some interval of time. So if the data is updated, that means if Nifty and Sensex value is different from the last time we got it, so this would update here. And if the data is same only, so it's not going to append that. So let's just wait till we get the another data. You might not see the effect here because in background it is trying to get the latest data. So right now I have made the time as 5 seconds. So every 5 seconds it will keep on updating the data. So as you can see here, after 11:23 it has got the another data at 11:25 and it is the updated data. So if you see here, the Nifty is same but the Sensex is changed. So that is why it has added this item to the list. Now as you can see here, third time the data is getting updated. So here if you see at 11:25 and 52 seconds, we have got the different value of Nifty. So that data is also getting appended here. So we have a two data here, Nifty and Sensex. So if Sensex is updated, so we'll add this data. If Nifty is updated, still we are going to add the data. So the condition is if any one of the data is updated, we are going to add that data. So this is the application that we are going to make from the next video.